This video is created solely for educational and informational purposes. It's not a call to action. Hi, today I'm going to show you a real-time trading strategy. I just got it from a popular Solana trader who also creates meme coins. This is a completely new method he uses to earn about $10,000 a day by launching low-cap meme coins. This method isn't public yet, so just watch. And remember, this is not financial advice. A new strategy for launching meme coins has emerged and is gaining traction fast. It helps attract attention to a token without spending anything on marketing. This isn't just hype, I'll show you everything live. Right now, this method is very profitable. Let's get started. First, go to the website in the description below. This is the main service we'll be using. When you create a token, it automatically appears on platforms like DexScreener, Axum, and others. I go to DexScreener and choose any popular token. This helps draw attention. I find a random token, click Create Token, copy its image, name, and symbol. I'll mint 1 million tokens. The exact amount doesn't really matter. Then I fill in the description. It can be funny or informative. Now for the important part. We can modify the information about the token creator. Specifically, we can set the smart contract metadata to show a wallet with a large amount of Solana. Don't worry, you'll still be the real owner. There are tools that automatically track newly launched meme coins and the wallets that created them. There are many such platforms, and they're constantly monitored by traders and bots. Here's the core of the strategy. Traders see that the token was launched from a wallet with a big Solana balance and assume it's a deliberate move, maybe from an influencer or insider. They expect that the token will later receive major liquidity, causing its price to surge. And yes, sometimes that really happens, which is why bots actively seek out this exact pattern. Today, we'll make our meme coin look exactly like one of those. To get our token listed everywhere, including DexScreener, we need to create a liquidity pool. Set how much SOL and how many tokens you want to add. Don't worry, the liquidity can be withdrawn later. And that's exactly what we'll do. I've already launched many tokens here. All of them were profitable. The best results come when you add 5 SOL, but even 1 SOL works well. The key is to make the token look legitimate. I'm adding 90% of the total token supply to the liquidity. For example, 900,000 out of 1 million. I check all these options adds credibility. I choose a 2% fee and enter my wallet address. This address will receive the tokens and will be the true owner. I click Create Token. The payment window appears. I send the SOL. I go to DexScreener to look at it. And here it is, our meme coin on the screen. Now we wait a bit for real buyers to show up. DexScreener shows liquidity as double because it accounts for both SOL and tokens. Perfect. Trading has begun. Now I just sit back and watch as people start buying and selling the token. Meme coins on Solana are back in the spotlight, and new golden launch strategies like this are popping up again. Every bull market brings fast new ways to make money, but they don't last long. So when you find a method that works, use it while you can. Ten minutes later, sniper bots are already active. They're buying tokens in batches, some spending up to 5 SOL per transaction. The trading is intense. If I withdrew the liquidity now, I'd get about 12 SOL. That's a solid return. And that's it. The meme coin has been successfully rug pulled. You don't even need to set anything up manually. The smart contract handles everything automatically. But remember, despite the automation, you fully control the token as its creator. Most meme coins launched with this tactic end up producing similar results. So yes, this method really works. Now you've seen how easy it is to execute a rug pull using this exact strategy. This video is for educational purposes only. The goal is to help you recognize these patterns so you don't fall for them yourself. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.